Okay, welcome to CSONS at Home. So this week we're going for a slightly North African feel. So the first dish is kind of a sardine tagine. So we made some sardine balls. We've got like a preserved lemon tomato sauce. Instead of normal couscous, we've got like basically blitzed up cauliflower that sort of turns into a couscous type thing. Some preserved lemon yoghurt, some harissa, and some of the lovely micro farm. First thing, put our tomato sauce in. It might take a little bit of water just to let it down, but not a lot. You want it to be relatively thick. So let that warm up. In the meantime, we'll take our cauliflower couscous. It's got a bit of oil in there and some garlic and parsley. Just drop that in. Low heat. We just kind of want to soften it a little bit, really. So the tomato sauce is just about coming up to a bubble, so I'm going to drop my sardine balls in. Traditionally, I guess you cook the balls in the tagine to start with, but we're doing it this way around because it makes it an easier product to send, I guess. We'll just simmer that until the sardine balls are going to be hot throughout, probably about 6 or 7 minutes, something like that, on a low simmer. So yeah, if you just keep an eye on the cauliflower, it'll stick if it's too hot and burn quite quickly, so just a low heat and then you can keep on tasting it. And you can cook it for as long as you want, really. You can take it down to quite a soft sort of bit, or you can keep it crunchy. I'm going to try and keep it relatively crunchy. It's nearly there. Our sardines are looking pretty good. Our plate's ready. So, time to plate. I'm happy that's soft enough. They're definitely going to be nice and hot now. Could spread it out or however you want to do it. Really. So, for me, that's how it looks best to start with. Got it down. Balls. Pop them on. And I'm just going to put this down the one side. Okay, and now what I'm going to do now is get this on. This is the preserved lemon yoghurt. And then I think I'll go with the greens. I was going to go with the harissa next, but I think the greens, and then I can drizzle on the greens. So apply all those lovely herbs up top. Take the oil off the top of the harissa first and just drizzle that. And then splat it all around. Hopefully. It looks pretty tasty.